First, list your secret keys to find your key ID. Run this command. Look for the line starting with /sec. Your key ID is the 16-character string right after the slash. Step 2. Tell Git which key to use. Run git config global user.signingkey, then paste your key ID. Step 3. Enable auto-signing. This makes Git sign every future commit automatically. No extra flags needed. If you only want to sign specific commits manually, skip this step and use git commit-s instead. Step 4. Export your public key and add it to GitHub. Run this command and copy everything in the output, from begin to end. Copy the entire block, including the header and footer lines. Now go to GitHub, Settings, SSH, and GPG keys. Click New GPG key, paste it in, and save. Finally, make a test commit and check the signature. Run these 2 commands. You want to see good signature and your email address. Then push to GitHub. Your commit should show the green verified badge. All commands are in the description below. See you next time.